How to do studio-like voiceovers in CapCut PC. So if you want to do studio-like voiceovers in CapCut PC, then first just select your video. And once you selected your video, now you just need simply go with mute, which is here on the left side, and mute the sound of your video, your original video. Once you've muted the sound, now what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the microphone option, which is right here. Click on microphone or the voiceover option. Once you click on it, then you will get all of these options. And if you click on this option, then it will start the recording. And before recording, you can go with the input device. You can simply choose the microphone option. And from here, you can adjust the volume. And you can go with the echo reduction and mute project and enhance your voice if you have the pro subscription. So you just need to simply go and click on it, and it will start the recording in 3, 2, 1, and then you can record. In this way, you can simply record your voiceover. Once you've recorded, you can see I've already recorded 2 voiceovers right here. So once you've recorded, what you need to do is you just need to simply click on the voice, and from here on the upper right, you will have the basic settings, which is you can adjust your voice volume, and you can go with fade in and fade out. And then the main thing you need to do is go with normalize loudness and scroll down, and you need to go with the enhanced voice. Once you go with enhanced voice, now you just need to simply go with the voice changer. And if you want to change your voice, you can simply go and change your voice by downloading all of these filters, voice filters or voice characters. And you can go with speed, and if you want to enhance the speed or increase the speed, you can go with that, and you can keep the pitch if you want to. So that's how you can make studio-like voiceovers. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.